Welcome to Kenzo Garden. If you're dreaming of transforming your front yard into a picture-perfect space, no matter how small, then you're in the right place.
DIY rustic limestone wall ideas for your 2026 Mediterranean garden. Imagine stepping into your garden and feeling as though you've been transported to the sun-drenched coasts of the Mediterranean. Rustic limestone walls have long defined the landscapes of southern Europe, especially in regions like Tuscany and Provence. In 2026, this timeless material is making a powerful comeback, blending heritage textures with modern outdoor living. The best part, you can create this look yourself. Today, we're exploring DIY rustic limestone wall ideas that will The dry stack method is one of the most authentic Mediterranean techniques. This approach skips visible mortar, allowing the natural shapes and textures of the limestone to shine. The uneven edges and subtle color variations create depth and character, making your garden feel organically aged. For a 2026 twist, combine traditional dry stacking with subtle landscape lighting embedded between stones. This enhances texture at night and creates a luxurious glow, perfect for defining garden boundaries or framing olive trees, lavender beds, or gravel pathways. Why build just a wall when you can build a living feature? Rustic limestone retaining walls with integrated planter pockets are trending in 2026 Mediterranean landscaping. Carve small recesses between stones to hold trailing plants like rosemary or creeping thyme. The combination of textured stone and cascading greenery creates that effortless Southern European aesthetic. This design works beautifully in sloped gardens, adding structure while softening the overall look. Turn your garden into an evening sanctuary by using limestone as a backdrop for a fire pit lounge area. Inspired by countryside villas near Barcelona, this idea blends rustic charm with social warmth. Build a semicircular limestone wall behind a fire pit to create intimacy and wind protection. The stone absorbs heat during the day and radiates warmth at night, making your outdoor gatherings feel both stylish and comfortable. If a full stone wall feels overwhelming, try a limestone accent wall instead. This works especially well as a backdrop for a fountain, water feature, or sculptural plant arrangement. Mediterranean gardens often highlight natural materials against vibrant greenery. A limestone feature wall creates contrast while maintaining harmony. In 2026, designers are pairing limestone with minimalist water elements for a modern Mediterranean fusion look. For a lighter aesthetic inspired by Greek island architecture, consider lightly whitewashing your limestone. Think of the breezy tones seen in Santorini, soft whites, warm creams, and sunlit textures. A diluted lime wash preserves the stone's texture while brightening your space. This works beautifully in smaller gardens where you want to reflect more light and create an airy coastal ambience. Create intimate garden rooms by using limestone walls as dividers. Mediterranean gardens often feel layered and private, with winding paths and hidden seating areas. Short rustic walls can separate dining spaces from planting beds or define a courtyard. Add wrought iron lanterns or wooden gates to enhance the authentic Mediterranean character. DIY rustic limestone walls are more than just landscaping features, they're storytelling elements. They bring texture, history, and warmth into your outdoor space. As Mediterranean-inspired design continues to trend in 2026, incorporating limestone offers both durability and elegance. Whether you choose a dry stack boundary wall, a planter integrated feature, or a whitewashed coastal accent, your garden will radiate that relaxed European sophistication, handcrafted, personal, and beautifully timeless.